Hey guys, today I rode up to 4,800 feet and it was so windy up there the audio was just not working out for me. But I did run into some very unexpected and very friendly guests, so take a look. And look at Boise all the way down there. Hello. Hi, Cal. Hello, Cal. Now it's time to turn it around, go right back up it. As always, thanks so much for watching. And I do have to say, cows are beautiful, sacred creatures. We would never do anything to harm them in filming Clydesdale. No cows at all were harmed in the filming of this. We never ever do anything ever to hurt cows. So thank you so much, and we'll see you next time.